Aristotle's four causes. So Aristotle attempts to bridge the gap between mind and matter by synthesizing the previous accounts of causation into a single fourfold account. The first looks at the material cause. So this is basically what the entity or thing is fashioned from. The second is the formal cause. This is the defining characteristics of the entity. So for example, this could be the shape. The third is the efficient cause. So this is the preceding force which enables the existence of the entity. And lastly is the final cause. So this is basically the end or purpose of the entity or thing. So the first example I'm going to be using is a physical example, and that example is of a plane. So first looking again at the material cause. So a plane is usually made up of a wide variety of materials, including steel, aluminium, copper, glass, rubber, special fibers, and more materials within that realm. The second is the formal cause. So typical commercial passenger aircrafts are designed to seat hundreds of people. There needs to be a cockpit for command and control for the pilot and co-pilot. There needs to be wings on either side to generate lift, etc. Third is the efficient cause. So this is made up of aeronautical engineers and aircraft manufacturers who build and engineer the actual plane. And lastly, the final cause, which its end-all purpose is to move people or goods and services from point A to point B. My second example is a non-physical example, and that looks to the concept of marriage. So first again, the material cause, what's necessary is a legal binding marriage certificate between two individuals. The formal cause, some may view marriage as a lifelong commitment to an individual's partner. Together, two individuals may opt to start a family. Some may use it to share household bills or expenses, or in other cases to create a union between the two families. Third is the efficient cause. So two individuals wanting to marry. In certain religious or cultural practices, there may be some form of officiant, but in every case there will be a marriage officiant. And then the final cause is basically the end-all purpose, which is to be legally bound or joined to your spouse.